Want to connect a third-party service to your WordPress site without risking your main password or compromising security? In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to generate an application password in WordPress, a safe and simple way to let external apps interact with your site while keeping your admin login secure. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, store, and use application passwords with peace of mind that you're doing it right. Let's jump straight into the process. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress site using a user account that has the right permissions for the application you want to connect. Here's a quick tip. If the third-party app doesn't need full admin capabilities, it's best to use a lower privileged account, such as an editor or author. This keeps your site even safer, so you're only giving the necessary level of access. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard, hover over Users and select your own profile by clicking on Profile. This is where you'll manage personal settings and, importantly, handle application passwords. If you're doing this for another user, let's say you're a site administrator setting things up for a team member, you'd click on their name under Users instead. Now scroll down through your profile page until you find the section labeled Application Passwords. If you don't see it, there are a couple of common reasons. Either your site doesn't yet use HTTPS, or your WordPress version needs updating. Application passwords are only available on sites running over HTTPS so that your connection stays encrypted and secure. If your site isn't set up with SSL yet, I definitely recommend addressing that first before moving ahead. Once you've found the application passwords area, you'll see a field to name your new password. Type in something descriptive here, perhaps the name of the service you're connecting, like Zapier Connection or WP Writer. This label is just for your own reference, so you know which password goes with which app if you ever need to review or revoke access later. It's a bit like naming a spare house key before you slip it onto your keyring. You're nearly there. Click the Add New Application Password button. In an instant, WordPress will generate a unique 24-character password and display it right in front of you. Here's a really important detail. Be sure to copy this password immediately. You'll only see it once. It won't appear again for security reasons if you leave the page or refresh. Paste it somewhere safe. A password manager works perfectly, or if you need to use it right away, you might keep it in a secure note until setup is complete. Now take this application password and use it in the authentication settings for your third-party app. You'll typically enter your WordPress username along with the password you just created, letting the service communicate securely with your site via the REST API. The beauty here is that application passwords can't be used to log into your WordPress admin in the traditional way. That means, even if one of these passwords is compromised, your dashboard stays protected. A quick tip for management. You can generate as many application passwords as you need, each for a different tool or service. And if at any time you want to revoke access, just return to your profile, find the specific password, and click to delete. This doesn't affect other connections or your own main login, so you can stay organized without hassle. If you're using WordPress.com instead of a self-hosted site, the process does differ slightly. You'll need to enable two-step authentication before generating application passwords. Just something to keep in mind. That's it, you're ready to safely connect your apps and services to WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.